X revolutionizes manufacturing workflows with its intuitive browser-based platform, offering seamless management of quotes, job organization, part fabrication, and information sharing. In the current project, we can see that Zel X supports files from various CAD softwares like Creo, Inventor, SolidWorks, and of course NX and Solid Edge. We want to add another SolidWorks file and make some modifications to it. We start off by clicking on Upload Files and selecting the file we want to import. Once processed, we now have the option to either provide some 3D markups or edit the SolidWorks file within Zel X. Clicking on Edit prepares the model for editing within the Zel X design environment. Opening the part, we see it's a bracket which needs to be modified. Zel X provides users with predictive design intent capabilities to intelligently modify the geometry. We need to change the angle of the support. Click the face and we are presented with the Smart Triad. Place the triad at the base of the support, which is highlighted in the color orange. Orient the model so that we are facing the model, and now click on the angular triad and drag the cursor to the left. You have the option to either change the angle by dragging the cursor or keying in the required value, which in this instance is 4 degrees. Click OK to accept the changes. Next, we want to increase the length of the front plate. For this, click on the bottom surface of the plate on either side. We are presented with the design intent, which we can choose to keep active or deactivate. Within the design intent, we can capture relationships like concentric, symmetric, and so on. Once we drag the arrow, we can see that it maintains the symmetry which was defined while creating the model within SolidWorks. Again, we can drag the arrow or key in the required value, which in this instance is 20 millimeters. Next, we want to modify the position of the 2 holes on the face of the front plate. Windows select the 2 holes, which automatically selects the holes along with the chamfers on both the sides of the plate. Using the Smart Triad, drag the arrow to the required distance, which is again minus 20 millimeters. The 2 holes on the bottom of the plate are not required for our design. For this, simply select the 2 holes and hit delete on the keyboard. It's that easy. We now want to change the blend that is applied to all 4 sides of the front plate. We can either change them individually, or as we see here, select all 4 of them at the same time. We see that the original dimension of the blend is 5 millimeters, but we wish it to be 10 millimeters. Once we are done with modifications, we can save the file. We get a pop-up saying the modified geometry is saved as a Zel X compatible version, and the original file is saved as well for any future references. Closing the design browser, we can see that both the original and the new modified version of the bracket are available within the project. Whether you need to collaborate on a design with your customer or make design alterations to supplied files, Zel X makes life easy thanks to multi-CAD support. Zel X, an integrated collection of tools for collaboration, design, simulation, manufacturing, and operations, providing the features you need when you need them.